The fan cart is a very clever device used to demonstrate Newton's third law of motion. The fan cart shows the results of a fan moving the air away and resulting movement of the fan cart. Looking at the parts of this activity will show what is actually happening. When the fan is turned on, the fan moves the air, creating wind. The next thing will show how the wind is created. By changing the scale of the parts, it is easier to show the action of the fan blade in a chopping motion, deflecting the ball off to the right. Turning the apparatus on its side reveals more details of the effect. When the golf ball falls, it picks up momentum and speed. As the ball strikes the ramp, the ball ricochets off to the left and the cart jumps off to the right. The left moving ball is the output vector, and the cart moving to the right is another output vector. The only input vector is the falling ball.
An alternate way of looking at anti-Newton effect is with force vectors. The red arrow is the input force vector, that is the golf ball, and blue arrows are the two output force vectors, that is the golf ball going to the left and ramp on cart going to the right. One input force vector and two output force vectors. The second vector map shows the red arrow as the moving vertical fan blade, which is the input force vector, and the result is the two blue arrows as the output force vectors. Going to the right is the cart and going to the left is the wind. One input force vector and two output force vectors. Hats off to the Wright brothers that gave us the first fan cart, and to the other clever people that follow the physical evidence and learned how to use this anti-Newton effect. The result is the aviation industry with 1 million flights a year, taking people wherever they want to go at 100 times faster than the horse and buggy. Maybe we should get back to following the experimental evidence.